Hello world, we're here at No Nation Fashion at the Suvat Reception Center, and we're helping with the creative director to update this beautiful dress with scraps that has messages from migrants all around the world. You can see we have a heart here and something that says world peace with a logo, and then something that signifies freedom and a message that says we are all humans. Watch out. This is for the opening ceremony of the Sarajevo Film Festival. See you there.
Today I'm in Germany. I'm grateful for the support and opportunity that I got from No National Fashion and IOM Bosne to achieve, I cannot say achieve, but getting one step near to my dream.